Welcome to Web Dev Basics, Lesson 4, Box Model and Page Layout. Brought to you by LogicBloom. Hey there, and welcome to Lesson 4 of LogicBloom's Beginner Web Development Series. Today, we're going to explore how elements behave like boxes, and how we can arrange them neatly on a web page. Let's jump right in. Here's what you'll need for this lesson. A code editor, like Visual Studio Code with the Live Server extension. Your starter HTML and CSS files from our last lesson. And a browser like Chrome or Edge. Here's what you'll learn today. What the CSS Box Model is. The difference between block and inline elements. How to use the div tag as a container. What the class attribute is. And how to style boxes with external CSS. Alright, up next, what is the box model? The CSS Box Model explains how browsers size and display elements. Every HTML element is a box, even text, images, and buttons. It has 4 parts. Content. The actual stuff inside, like text or an image. Padding, space inside the box. Border, the box's edge. And margin, space outside the box. Imagine your content is a present. It's wrapped in soft tissue paper, that's your padding. It's inside a sturdy box, that's your border. And it's sitting on a table with space around it, that's your margin. Let's break down how to use padding, borders, and margins in CSS. Padding, the amount of inside space, you can set this in pixels, EMS, or percentages. Border, you can set the width, style, and color. For example, a 3-pixel solid coral border. Margin, the amount of space outside the box, also in pixels, EMS, or percentages. And here's a bonus tip, you can set different values for the top, right, bottom, and left sides separately. HTML elements have a default display behavior. Block-level elements take up the full width and start on a new line, like div and p. Inline elements only take as much space as their content, and stay on the same line, like span and a. Think of blocks like big boxes stacked on top of each other, and inlines like words in a sentence. A div is short for division. It's an invisible container for grouping content. By default, it's block level, so it starts on a new line. It doesn't have any special look, just an empty box. You can put text, images, or even other elements inside it. It's perfect for organizing page sections and applying styles with CSS. Think of it like a folder on your computer, it holds things together and keeps them organized. Now let's talk about the class attribute. To style elements, we give them class names using the class attribute. This gives a name to the element, and CSS uses that name to apply styles. Multiple elements can share the same class, so you can style many boxes at once. In CSS, we select classes by adding a dot before the class name. And a quick tip. Make class names descriptive and meaningful, like .card or .highlight. Alright, up next, we'll apply what we've learned. Here's what we'll try together. Creating div elements. Adding classes. And styling them using the CSS Box Model properties. Content. Padding. Border. And margin. Let's
の光が冷たくて一人歩く影が揺れる君のぬくもり覚えてるでもその声はもう届かない夜空に星が一つだけ君に似てる気がして掴もうとして消えてゆく虚しい手が空を切る壊れた心抱きしめて君の愛が消えてゆく涙で染まるこの世界戻れない日々の先へ
See what you remember. Question 1. What are the 4 parts of the box model? Question 2. True or false, a div is inline by default? Question 3. What symbol do we use to select a class in CSS? Pause the video and try answering, or leave your answers in the comments. Here are the answers. 1. Content, padding, border, and margin. 2. False, div is block level by default. 3. We use it before the class name in CSS. It's homework time. Your task is to create a cute info card set. Pick something you love and make 3 variations of it. For example, 3 favorite breeds of your favorite animal, 3 flavors of your favorite dessert, or 3 characters from your favorite show. Each card should be inside its own div. With a unique class, each card must have a title, an image, and a short description. And style each card with different padding and margin, and background colors to make them pop.
して掴もうとして消えてゆく虚しい手
Next episode, CSS layout, positioning and display. You did it, coder. Thanks so much for coding with me today. If you enjoyed this lesson, leave a comment, give it a like, and subscribe to LogicBloom for more beginner-friendly lessons. See you in the next episode.